shake it for me, girl. I'm not quite what you get on international. First I see it on my lap, girl, like popcorn. Well, I know what E-Town needs. Me go to Haiti. I got a lipstick stamp from my passport to make it hard to leave. Been around the world on speed the language, but you really don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when a country girl knows how to shake it, shake it, shake it for me.